Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video I'm going to show you guys the top must visit places of Prague. So let's go. This is the city center of Prague.
It took nearly 200 years for the construction of this church. Each tower is slightly different in size, symbolizing masculine and feminine sides of the world.
This is the astronomical clock tower. So the astronomical dial shows the position of the sun and moon, and the zodiac sign is highlighted, making it an intricate display of the time and celestial mechanism. This is where history and science meets. In order to avoid the duplicate of the clockmaker was blinded by the city council, and he himself jumped into the clock machine and died in order to avoid the duplication of this. Of course, this is a mythical fact, not real one. And the interesting and the real fact is that this clock was heavily damaged during the World War II. When the Nazis were leaving, they burnt this old town and the clock was heavily damaged, and later it was restored back. As the clock strikes the hour, the Apostle parade happens and the clock rings as well. So that is something you must witness here. Taking accommodation in the city center near to the clock tower is really best, and you will be able to reach every place within foot distance. So you can just take a walk and you will be able to cover all the major sites. In the background you see is the Saint Nicholas Church, and it is just beside the astronomical clock, and the entry is free.
A myth about the Charles Bridge is that egg yolks were mixed into the mortar to strengthen the bridge, though modern studies have found no traces of eggs in the mortar.
Charles Bridge is one of the nicest things that you must visit. You'll be able to see a lot of crowd on the bridge. There are several statues on the Charles Bridge, and they are really colorful, as in black. So you will be able to see some real nice architecture there. What is this called? Kurkoshkola?
Do try pork knuckle when in Prague, which is one of the specialty, and it's really yummy.
most of the places in Prague are at walkable distance, so you don't need to take any transport other than going to the castle. So I'm inside the castle now, and the church is inside the castle itself. The Vitus Cathedral is inside the castle itself. You can see behind me, it's huge and very beautiful. Basically, most of the things inside the castle is free. You can walk around, but there are some of the things for which you need to buy the tickets. This here, it is called as Golden Lane. It's inside the castle itself. Oh, sorry. It's inside the castle itself. Hey guys, so today I am going to explore the Jewish parts of Prague, some of the Jewish synagogues and quarters and cemeteries. Now I am at Spanish synagogue, and in the background you see is Franz Kafka, who is an amazing writer, and there are a couple of his books that you must read which are mind-blowing. You see, this is the Spanish synagogue which I am visiting now. The Jewish locations, if you want to visit, they are just beside the clock tower itself.